arrived in our Victoria hotel. It's super nice. It was a really long journey because we started in Bowen Island, which is North Vancouver. And we made it all the way down to Victoria, but we made it. It took us, how many hours did that take us? 5, like at least, it was like 10 hours. Yeah, we've been traveling all day.
Was it really 8 hours ago?
Was it 8 hours? That's crazy, yeah. But as a room tour, this is the last room that they had available when we booked it. So, king bed. There's Maddie. Little TV, desk area, mirror. They have a super nice bathroom. It's nicer than mine at home. But our view is not as nice as the one in Vancouver. You can't even see it right now. It's just an alleyway. But yeah, I mean, it'll work. It's just smaller and expensive. It's nice, but it's nice. I'm happy with it.
I don't feel weird not being in my shoes.
Yeah, no, it's not sketchy at all. Like, it's really nice. We're just trying to find a place to eat because we're hungry. We had a muffin on the ferry.
I'm so hungry.
But it's definitely not enough.
Carbs
We've had only carbs all day.
And vegetables a bit too.
Yeah, so that's what we're looking for right now. Bye. We decided to get burritos at a place called Taco Fino. It's humongous, but we've heard from 2 people that were waiting that it's the best Mexican food ever. So we're gonna see if they're right about that and test it out. Look, it's massive. It's heavy. Like, where do you even start biting it? Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Quality content.
Oh my god, it's so good. This is a super veg. That's so good. I think the tempura is somewhere in there.
It's so good. It was so much food.
That was a massive burrito. Definitely eat that on an empty stomach because, oh, I barely finished that. But it was really good. I definitely recommend eating there.
So sick.
Me too. It was really good though.
Everybody sing my girl. Now put your
The lady who gave us the museum, no, not the museum, the Parliament building tour, recommended that we get fish and chips from Fisherman's Wharf. Well, Maddie's a vegetarian, so she's missing out. But I will definitely be having some. So that's where we're headed. Our dinner tonight is Freshie, and Maddie dragged us here, but honestly I'm not mad.
You sound like it's a bad thing.
No, it looks really good.
So good.
I'm glad she dragged us here, because this looks good. And then we're gonna get ice cream after and look around. But yeah, very fancy. Look at this ice cream. And look at hers. Oh my god.
He's funny.
Yeah.
He's a funny. He was just around and say hi to.
We're not cool enough.
Vuelve con el ritmo, camino con tu destino. Una cosa que combino es cuando nos unimos. We put aside our egos and we unite as equals. The light is alive and shine. Tú eres el niño, no me importa el sitio. Si eres pobres y ricas, todo pasa en la señora viendo fruta en la.
Just at Thunderbird Park to see the totem poles car, and now we're on our way. We're at Beacon Park because apparently it's really pretty. I don't even know if you can hear me because of the traffic, but yeah, I would say Victoria is a lot slower than when we were in Vancouver, but it's still a really nice city to come to. I felt really safe last night.
Yeah.
Walking around.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, we got back to the hotel at like 12 a.m. because we had like a cool busking party. So I definitely would say walk around at night and just come across different buskers because it's a good time.
Especially Friday, Saturday.
Friday and Saturdays, yes, for sure. Some turtles. Julian chair. It took us a little bit to find it, but we found the moss lady.
And we got a Kim K body going.
Yeah, those curves. It reminds me of that song in Moana with the I love you. Dive in. These are the best noodles I've ever had. How are your noodles?
They're so good.
They're literally the best noodles I've ever had.
So good.
So delicious. scared of getting seasick. It's a valid fear though. Fashion icon. We could barely get that cheesecake down. We just checked out of our Victoria hotel. So that kind of ends our journey in the city. But Maddie's cousin is going to pick us up. She's going to take us around for our last day of a tour of the island, kinda. Not all of it, obviously. But then all night tonight we're traveling, so
All night.
it's gonna be a long
5 to
journey.
6, 10 a.m.
Yes, we got this. But yeah, we're really sad to be done with our trip. Almost
great.
done. It's been really good so far. Yeah. This place actually turned out really well. I wasn't sure at first, and then it was good.
It was surprising.
Yes, it was. Are freezing. Oh my god.
So worth it. This is so cool.
Yeah.